Hello guys, welcome back to At All Robotics. In this video I'm going to implement machine learning with IoT, and actually it is a very crazy project. I don't like winters, especially I don't like to bath in winters. So I have figured out that when temperatures goes below 20 degree I don't like to bath. So I made a system using NodeMCU and temperature sensor. It will log data in Google Sheets using internet. That's why it is Internet of Things. And then I will use that Excel file or CSV file for doing some machine learning, and it will predict some time at which I can bath. So with that, come on, let's start this project. I know you are going to like this project. So like, share and subscribe, and let's go. So I will start by making a Google Sheet. I will name it as temp data set. Then I will name column as hour, minute, temperature, humidity and feels like. And our data will be logged respectively in real time, and for that we will write a JavaScript code. Now I will go to extensions, app script. I will give a name to my project and then I will start writing the code. Now this code is very important because using this code only we can log live data in our Google Sheet using NodeMCU. Then I will save it and tap on deployment button. Then do the necessary verification process. Then select type as web app and do necessary settings and simply deploy it. Guys, if you want a tutorial on Google Sheet with NodeMCU, then just comment down, I will make one video. But this is just sit back and enjoy type video. After deploying it, I will copy URL and paste it in Notepad. And the middle part of this URL is deployment ID, and we need it for NodeMCU code. Now let's see the circuit diagram. I'm using DHT11 and NodeMCU with this configuration. Now this is the code for NodeMCU and DHT11. You can download all codes from description. Here I will write SSID and password as my Wi-Fi name and its password respectively. And in gas ID, I will copy and paste deployment ID from Notepad that we have copied earlier. And now I will simply upload this code and our NodeMCU will start logging data in Google Sheet. Now you can see your logged data in Google Sheet. My NodeMCU will log data in every 5 minutes. I fixed my circuit like this for a day.
24 hours later.
So here is my data set ready for machine learning. Of course, this data set will not work for more than 3 days as temperature changes every day, and that's why it's a lame project. But it's okay. This project is just for showing how IoT or IIoT is implemented with machine learning to predict something. Now I will download this data set as CSV file. Now it's time for machine learning implementation. I'm using VS Code with Jupyter Notebook for this. First I have imported necessary libraries, then imported our data set that we have made and downloaded in our code. You can also see that here. And now this is the graph that we get from our data set. You can visualize how temperature varies with time. So I am using decision tree machine learning algorithm for training our model, and here you can see that the accuracy of our model is 74%, which shows that it's a good model. So guys, this is our driver Python program. I have imported my model here, and it will help us to use our model efficiently. So let's go and use this model. So now it is asking me at what temperature you want to bath, and I have already told you that I cannot bath at below 20 degrees Celsius. So I will enter 20 here, and boom, my machine learning model is predicting that I can bath in between 4 to 7 a.m. in morning and from 5 to 8 p.m. in evening. Great. And if I want to bath at 35 degrees, so no values available means I will not bath, and actually I like this option very much. So guys, this was the implementation of machine learning with IoT. Give your feedback in comment section and like, share and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.